Hello and welcome to a series of lectures based on the renowned book entitled The Study of Language, Digital Edition, brought to you by the Brightify Linguistics. This is Lecture 1 and the book is written by Charles Yule. Let's discuss the introductory part of this renowned and authoritative book. Language did not happen instantly. No one knows when language exactly originated. It is difficult to mark a fixed date. Humans can only speculate, as Charles Darwins speculated about the origin of language. He believed that language did not happen instantly. We continue to discuss the same topic on the same page from the book Music as the Source, Origin of Language. Darwin alludes the origin of language to the existence of music. He argued that much before language existed, people expressed their mutual love and affection through musical notes and rhythms. In fact, music was the primary source of expression, communication, and gratification. We continue to explore the ideas from the book Charles Darwin's 1871. He argues what he says, what he expresses. Darwin regarded music as the only legitimate source of birth of articulate language. In this respect, Charles Darwin's 1871 argues the suspicion does not appear improbable that the progenitors of man, either the males or females or both sexes, before they had acquired the power of expressing their mutual love in articulate language, endeavor to charm each other with musical notes and rhythm. That is the point of view of Charles Darwin's about the origin of language. We continue to explore the new ideas. Human speculation. On the basis of this human speculation, it is believed that some type of a spoken language must have developed between 100,000 and 50,000 years ago, well before written language about 5,000 years ago. We continue to talk about the same idea, early periods of life. The traces of earlier periods of life on Earth never provide us any direct evidence or artifacts relating to the speech of our distant ancestors that might tell us how language worked in the early stages. We continue to talk about absence of direct physical evidence. Because of this absence of direct physical evidence, there has been no shortage of speculation about the origins of human speech. So this is the introductory part of the famous book, The Study of Language by Charles Yule. I will continue to deliver a series of lectures. This is the original text of the first introductory passage of the book, The Study of Language by Charles Yule, the origins of language, and you can have a look at the text. This is what I have explained in a simple term, in an interesting way. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.